Oh, hi my lovelies. How are you today? It's Jen here, and as many of you know, I love to teach cooking classes, but today it's about baking. I'm really excited about this one. You have got to try this. This is my most favorite chocolate recipe. I have tried and tried so many recipes, and I fail and I succeed, but this one is truly I succeeded. So I'd love to share this with you, and I'd love you to try it, and you let me know what you think. And if you have any questions throughout the video, pop it in the comment. I will come back and respond to you, or just say hi. I love to hear from you and how your day's doing. So today is about this chocolate cupcake, so let's go ahead and try and make it. In a bowl, add the flour, the cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder and baking soda, and salt. Now use a whisk and then whisk everything until they're all combined. I like using the whisk to make sure that there's no lumps. And then in the middle, you make a well, and then you add the cream or whole milk. You add the eggs, canola oil, and the coffee, and make sure your coffee is room temperature. Now mix everything until smooth. Now your baking pan lined with baking cups, fill them almost halfway, and then bake for about 18 to 20 minutes. Now let's make our frosting. So cream the butter, add the powdered sugar and mix, then add the heavy cream, mix again until creamy, and then add the cocoa powder and mix until smooth. Now, once your cupcakes are baked, make sure that you cool them before frosting them. And here, I just use my piping tips and frost the cupcakes, and then I also drizzled some dark chocolate and white chocolate. Okay, my lovelies, isn't that simple enough? So I'd love to hear from you when you try this cupcake. So either go to my website. All my recipes, you will find them on my website, leanbellaskitchen.com. Okay, so if you're looking for a certain recipe that you saw here that I made, and you sometimes Facebook or some other social media, you can't really find where the recipe's at, but just go to my website, leanbellaskitchen.com, and you'll find everything there. All right, time to taste. My lovelies, I want to show this to you. See how nice and fluffy that is? That is so moist, and that fluffiness is right there. This is good to make if you want to make a cake, decorated chocolate cake, you can use this recipe also. You can use this for if you want to make a, let's say a chocolate roll cake and fill it with some, whatever filling you want inside and roll it. This is also a good recipe for that. So just use a baking sheet pan and don't fill it too much so it's easier to roll. One thing, when you're rolling a cake, make sure that you roll it while it's still warm, and then just let it cool, and then you unfold it, and then that's when you fill it. Okay, you can't fill it while it's hot, or you can't fill it while it's cold. So it has to stay room temperature. It has to stay room temperature for you to fill it, and then you can cool it. But this is amazing. So try it. I'm really excited about this recipe. Thank you so much again for being here. If you have family and friends that need help with home cooking or baking, please share this video, and we'd love to help them, right? So thank you again, and I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.